Hey everyone, before we get to today's video, I have a quick thank you and an announcement of an upcoming event. When I started this channel a few months ago, I genuinely did not know if anyone would want to listen to me drone on about my nerdy topics. I actually have to bribe students with grades for them to attend my lectures here at the university. So I was thrilled when this channel quickly grew a not just subscriber base, but a community of people who come and watch the videos and make comments and engage with one another. It has blown me away. And that community has now topped 5,000 subscribers, a figure that I did not think was realistic in the first year, let alone the first 4 to 5 months. So I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you for joining this community, because history is all the more relevant today. So these discussions are important. And to celebrate this subscriber milestone, I am going to be holding a live question and answer session here on YouTube on Wednesday, August 13th at 12 p.m. noon Mountain Time for all you Utahns, to answer any questions you might have about Mormon history, religious history, or American writ large. So please come ready with your questions and to further nerd out about history. Once again, thank you for joining this community. We have even better things in store going forward. I hope to see many of you on Wednesday. And without further ado, here's today's video.